Hi, my name is Robert. This video is designed to give you step-by-step detailed instructions on completing the task at hand. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. In this video, we're going to be replacing this mirror on a 2012 S60. It has the Bliss system in it. So there's a camera there, and thanks to one of our friendly community people, this mirror was folded in, but they come down the street like maniacs, and I'm surprised they didn't hit the side of the car, because this mirror is folded in normally, and somebody hit the mirror, destroyed it, knocked this off, busted this off, shattered the glass, left this from their car. I'm going to remove the door panel, remove this mirror, show you how to do that, show you how to take the door panel totally off, like some videos don't do that, and then you'll see how to change the window switches, stuff like that. I got the replacement mirror from Erie. Let's get started. The only tools you need is a door panel pry tool and a T25. Not sure if it's necessary, probably not, but I rolled the window down because I want to make sure nothing's in the way, which I doubt it would be. The next thing you want to do is get a pry tool. This little speaker here, trim that covers this, has 3 clips on it. So you want to pull this away from the door. Something fell down there. Then you want to unplug this. These are kind of strange plugs. I think you just push in on the back side of it and it'll unplug. Get my finger in there. Let me do that. Then it's got another plug there that I gotta push that tab in and unplug this little tab right there. One of those clips fell down in the door, so I need to fish that out. This one here, I slid my key in between it and the speaker trim piece, and it slid right out. So there you have it, you got that out. Not sure why this is loose, but we're not going to focus on that right now. Next, we're going to come lower on the door panel and look up there where your door handle is. There's 2 T25s under there. Remove both of those T25s. Once you have those 2 screws removed, you get a door panel pry tool and you put it in there and you pry the door panel off the door. Then you come up here, and this has a pry away from it up here too. So do the lower edge first and then do this. Be careful not to pull it too far away, because you got to unplug things behind the door panel. So those clips go into slots in the top like there, and then you have clips around the door. They snap onto those. You want to unlatch the handle. These pry open just a little bit, top and bottom. To unplug this, you unplug this here. You got a plug that came up there that goes down here for your switch there. Unplug that so you don't damage that wire. And if you don't want to unlatch the door handle pull, it is long enough that you could set the panel on the ground and let it hang like that. That's what I'm going to do. Now I have access to the screws that screw the mirror against the door and the harness. You unplug the harness here to remove the mirror. Now you take out these 3 screws here. One here, one here, one here. They look like T30s, and you should be able to lift that mirror away from the door after you work this plug through the frame of the door. So let me take those screws out and let you know how it was working this plug through there. I massaged the plug in there. Now the remainder of this mirror should massage out of here. Looks like this window trim is holding it down. I was able to massage it from under there. Let me get 2 hands on there and massage that out. I was able to massage that from under the trim and out. And there's some moisture in there. It looked like there was some red tab that might have been through there that probably got broken in the accident. There's a bunch of moisture in there. There is the part number for this mirror. And there's a gasket back here that actually looks a little gross. So I'm probably going to take this gasket, rinse it off, dry it off, and put it back in place before I put the replacement mirror on. I kind of take pleasure in saying this. Man, it was cheaper ordering this mirror from Erie Volvo than going to the salvage yard in the next town that had one of these vehicles, maybe with this mirror with the camera on it, probably not. And the time and the money, this was cheaper, and I got it less than 2 days. And getting a mirror from a salvage yard, I'd have had to pick what days. Well packed. Let's get it the rest of the way open. Look at here. It looks like a perfect match color-wise that we had on there. So let me go ahead and get this installed. Some kind of grommet down here I need to be aware of. I don't know if I've seen that on the other mirror or not. But it has the light on the bottom, the camera on it, and the holes where I could get it screwed in. It looks like this probably needs to be massaged up in here properly. Yep, there I have it. Let me clean my gasket and get this installed. Clean the gasket up a little, put it back in place. Now I'm going to massage the mirror under there and put everything through there and attach the 3 mounting screws. I have the screws in and nice and tight. I got the wires up here that's going to plug into the speaker and stuff. I got the harness plugged in here. Now I'm going to lift this door panel up, plug these 2 plugs back in. This goes to the window switch, and I'm pretty sure the window switch has some kind of release clip right there. To get the window switch out, you pull this release clip out, and then you can push the window switches out. And the reason that latch there has something to do with it, because you got to pull up this whole trim to get the window switches out. And again, this handle, if something's wrong with this handle, you pry these 2 things open and this slides out to release the cable from the handle. So there it is. Let me plug these 2 plugs in, lift this door panel up, push the top in these tabs that go in these slots up here, and then push these lower ones in. I got one missing here, one missing up front, but somebody didn't have these snapped in all the way, so I'm going to make sure I do that. These are little funny deals here. I have those 2 screws in. When you put this door panel in, make sure you have your plugs up here. Don't almost lose the plug like I did here, because you need to plug those into your piece here and snap this in place. Let me do that, then we can test this mirror. There it is. Everything is back together. Let's see if the mirror works. When you lock it, it should fold itself in. Man, light and everything works. How about that? We are good to go. If you got any questions, go ahead and post them. Please leave a comment, and if you can, subscribe. If you made it this far, I trust that you found some information that was either useful or entertaining, so go ahead and hit the like button. And if you would like notification of future videos that I post, please subscribe to the channel. I appreciate your support. You can follow me on other social media apps by looking for @RobertDIY. Some form of that should bring up the other channels that I have on places like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and so forth. If for some reason you need some more personal help, go to my website at robertdiy.com and use the phone number that I have posted there to send me a text message, or you can email me. If you have questions or comments, please make a comment below. And if you'd like to make some kind of financial contribution to what I got going on here, go to my channel and hit the more link at the end of the introduction statement, and it'll show you different ways that you can support me financially. Again, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.